Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then tap on Face section and enter your current login method. Finally, you can tap on Start Enrollment at the bottom. Click on I have read the privacy statement at the bottom. And then click on Agree at the bottom right corner. Remember to keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Now tap on OK. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you're done, tap on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!